How to transfer funds from a Forex card to bank account. First, we will need to check with our Forex card issuer. So find the transfer options. Many Forex card providers such as HDFC and all of these allow transfers from the card to a bank account, but it's important to confirm with your provider whether the service is available. And you want to check the fees. Some issuers charge a fee for transferring funds to a bank account, so make sure you understand the cost. Now, using the mobile app or website of the issuer, most Forex card providers have mobile apps or online portals that offer an option to transfer funds. So this is going to vary depending on your issuer. You want to log in to your account. So open up the mobile app or website where you manage your Forex card. You will navigate to the fund transfer options. So look for options such as transfer to a bank account or reload bank account in the menu. And you want to enter your bank details. So typically you need to provide your bank account details, account number, IFSC code, etc. for the transfer. And the last step will be just initiating the transfer. So you want to enter the amount you want to transfer from your Forex card to your bank account and confirm the transaction. Now, like I said, this process may vary depending on your card provider, but usually it works like this. I hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.